Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's continue with our SQL interview series preparation. So today we have a very interesting question, and it this is a very easy level question, I will say. So the question basically says, given a table of transactions, we need to find the top two most purchased products for each category. So we'll have different categories as you can see in the input table. We have not shown the output table this time, so because without seeing the output table, we have to know what the output will be. Okay, so we have the category, we have category 1, 2 and 3. These are the different three categories. So for each category, we need to find the top two most purchased product. Okay, so how can we find the most purchased product? The product which has the highest quantity will give us the most purchased product, and the second one will give us the second most purchased product. So for each category, we need to find the two products only. And yeah, this is the question. And now let's jump directly to the editor to write this particular code, and I have already written the script here. The same script can be found in the description box also. You can just simply copy that from here. So we have first written the select start from transactions table, which gives us all the records of the particular table. And now we'll write the particular query. Okay. So here we will be using the width functions of rank basically, because we will be ranking the categories first, and whatever the categories we have got based on the ranking, we have to fetch the top two records. Perfect. Now let's write select. What are the things we need? We need the category, we need the product name and the quantity. So we need the category, we need the product name, we need quantity, and now we need to use the rank function here. So rank over, then we need to partition by the category column, that is partition by category, and then we have to order all the results by the quantity. In what manner? In descending manner. If it is in ascending, then you don't have to write anything, because by default it takes ascending. So once you have written the rank statement, you have to give an alias name as, let's say we give R and K, and from which table? We have only one table, so transactions table. Okay, so let's run it to see what exactly we are getting. Okay, let's see that output table. Okay, so in the category product name, quantity and rank, we have for the category 1, we have product C is getting the highest rank 1. Product category 1, product A is getting 10 quantity and it is getting category ranking 2. Similarly for category 2, if you can see my highlights, we have the ranking as 1, 2, 3 based on the quantity, that is 25, 15 and 10. And similarly for category 3 also, we have got the ranking 1, 2, 3 based on the quantity. Okay, now what we need is from each category, from category 1 we need the first two records, from category 2 also we need the first two records, and that's the only reason we have ranked is 1 and 2. So we will first insert all these things. So with CTE, inside the CTE we'll first keep this particular output table that we have got, and from that output table we'll fetch the top two records. Okay, so let's write with CTE as this. Let's put everything inside this CTE, and after that we'll write the select statement again. Select, what are the things we need? We need the category, we need the product name, we need the quantity also. So you can simply Control C and Control V it. Now from which table? From the CTE table. So this inner query basically becomes one table, and that table name we have given as CTE table. So we will be fetching everything from that CTE table. CTE table is nothing but this table right now. So we will be fetching the category, we will be fetching the product name, we also fetch the quantity from this particular table. And here we have to put a where condition, that is where this particular RNK, let's copy this, Control V, this should be less than equal to, it should be less than equal to 2, because we need the top two records only. Or you can simply write less than 3 also, you can write any of the choice you want. Now once you have written this, let's run it. Okay, so we have got the successful output. We have got category 1, product C and product A are having the two products which are having the quantity 20 and 10. Similarly for product 2, we have got 25 and 15. And for category 3, we have got product I and G, that is 25 and 15. only two records are being fetched from each category. If the question has been asked to fetch only one record, then instead of this rank less than equal to 2, we would have simply written rank equal to 1, and we would have got only one record, that is for category 1 product C 20, for category 2 product F 25, and similarly for the category 3 product I 25. Perfect. This is how you can actually solve this question. And mostly very important is rank function, dense rank, and row number when you are going for the interviews before your SQL. So make sure you practice these kind of questions regularly. I will come up with more such videos in the near future. Till then, just subscribe the channel to get the latest update and share the channel with someone who is actually preparing for the analyst interview. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Keep coding.